So guys, I was looking for some tropical birds to show you, but unfortunately nothing today. So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be making a tropical fruit juice for you guys. Yeah, so right here I have some diced pineapple, I have some OTET apple here, I have some star fruit, I have mango, I have some ginger. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this amazing fruit in the blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend and make you guys a lovely tropical fruit punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to my blender. Okay, that is enough guys, and then I'm gonna be adding some granulated sugar, and then I'm just gonna blend. Here we go guys, our tropical juice is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me go ahead and taste this one. This is absolutely amazing guys, with the fiber. Oh my goodness, it's just pure goodness. I'll catch you guys in another video. Goodbye.